Local news for Friday the 13th of February. Richard and Bex Toswell have won the Greater Wellington Balanced Farm Environment Awards, announced at a function at the Carterton Event Centre on Wednesday night. Farming near Masterton for the past 10 years, as well as winning the Regional Supreme Award, the Toswells won the Beef and Lamb New Zealand Livestock Award. Nominations for the Charles Ricking Carter Awards close today at 5 o'clock, and the New Zealand Nurses Organisation campaign activities wrap up in Masterton tomorrow after a busy week. The rallies throughout New Zealand were to show the government that New Zealanders need to prioritise rebuilding a quality public health system by investing in nursing, the largest health workforce in the country. A rally will be held in Masterton tomorrow from 9 a.m. opposite New World. And in Premier Rugby, Masterton Red Star were defeated last night by Marist 55-15. Carterton host Gladstone tomorrow. Greytown are at home to Eketahuna, and Martinborough are at home to East Coast.